Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Tulip puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan. The puzzle is made of two different kinds of wood, what makes it look very beautiful. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10, and the object is to fit all three parts inside the cube frame. And as you can see, all three parts have completely different shapes, and the cube frame has two openings, one big on one side and small opening on the other side. Since this puzzle sold unassembled, I will show you how to put all these three parts inside the cube first, and then I will show you how to remove them from the cube. And by the way, it takes 18 steps to put all three parts inside the cube, and then 18 more steps to remove them from the cube. If you like Tulip puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first I will show you how to put these three parts together in such a way that how they will be inside the frame. So first you have to take this big part and put it like this. The next part will be this one. You have to put it on this side, and as you can see we have like a half of a cube. And the last part, the third, will go right in here. And we have this not a complete cube shape, but it is big enough to fit all the holes in the cube frame. So now the most difficult part, since we have to fit all these three parts inside, and if you try to fit them like this, you're not going to be able to do it, and you have to do it step by step. So first you have to put this big part inside, and you have to hold the frame like this, put this part inside and put it to the right side. Next you have to take this big part, put it inside like this to the left, and a little bit more inside. And the last part is going to be this one. You have just to fit it inside for now. And that's what we have right now. So next step, move this part to the left and down. Oh no, you don't have to move it down, you have to leave it up. And now move this part on the right to the front, like this. So this part that is sticking out, move to the right, and you will be able to move this part to the middle of the cube and down, and then again push it inside and it will fall down. Next move will be to move this part to the left and one step towards yourself. Now what you have to do is to push this part. Since it's sticking out on the other side where there is a small cutout, you have to push it up, and now you can move this part inside one step, and the puzzle is solved, as you can see. So that was the solution how to assemble the puzzle. To disassemble you have to do exactly the same steps but backwards. This goes up, this part goes to the front, the third part falls down. Now we can move this part like this. Next step, take the part that is sticking out on the other side, push it up and move it to the front, and again one step up. So to do it you have to just flip the puzzle upside down, and now we can move it to the front one step. Now we can move this part to the left and keep it like this, since you have to move this part inside. And now you can start removing the parts. First goes this one, the next you can remove this part, and the third part goes the last. So that was the solution of Tulip puzzle. If you like this beautiful puzzle made by Pelikan and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!